Chitrakut Residences by AANGAN Architects in Surat, India. Chitrakut, an extended family cluster, Faliyu is a remarkable architectural project that seeks to honor and celebrate the traditional Indian way of living within a traditional housing cluster, Faliyu. The design for the extended family comprises 6 individual units to accommodate 6 families, featuring a traditional atlas, verandas, and a central open space, chogan. The contiguous verandas with swings and central open space act as seamless extensions of the residents' outdoor lifestyle. These elements not only allow for a natural transition between the indoors and outdoors but also foster a sense of connection and unity among the inhabitants. Serving as both practical and aesthetic components, the pergolas provide shade to the extended verandas while visually connecting the separate houses. The cluster consists of 2 pairs of twin units and 2 separate units. Each unit has its own unique identity while also being interconnected with the shared spaces. Shared spaces are designed in a way that each unit gets its own privacy as well they stay connected to these shared spaces around. The primary intent for the design of the landscape is to create a harmonious blend between the built structures and the surrounding open spaces and to blur the boundaries between the natural and built environment. Each of the 6 units has been meticulously planned to face the central garden area, enhancing the sense of community and togetherness. Moreover, the design of the 2 additional units takes into account the presence of the existing trees on site, especially the bale tree, Bilipatra, a sacred tree for the clients. These thoughtful considerations ensure that the architecture seamlessly integrates with the natural surroundings. To facilitate interaction and connectivity between residents, extended balconies connect various bungalows. These transitional spaces serve as shared areas where neighbors can engage in social activities and continue to foster stronger social bonds with the extension of families and the addition of generations. The design allows for volumetric variation and optimizes the available space by accommodating the specific requirements of each unit. Additionally, the incorporation of a mezzanine room above the parking area introduces an impressive ceiling height of 12 feet (6 inches) to the living spaces, enhancing a sense of openness and grandeur. The strategic use of exposed brick, exposed reinforced concrete (RCC), and grit plaster finishes adds a visual and tactile appeal to the interior spaces. By leaving these materials uncovered, the architecture celebrates its raw beauty and creates a sensory experience for the residents. Skylights in rooms and utility areas introduce ample natural light, enhancing the overall ambience and reducing dependence on artificial lighting. Chitrakut stands as a testament to the successful integration of traditional and contemporary design elements by paying attention to the heritage and lifestyle of the residents while incorporating modern comforts and aesthetics. The project redefines family living on an ancestral piece of land and provides a state-of-the-art housing cluster, the Faliyu, to retain and continue the joint family social values with the accommodating individuals' growing needs. It provides a place to call home and fosters a sense of belonging, community, and pride in Indian traditions.